Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set PayPal payment default method. This is a quick and simple process and it only takes a moment, even if you're completely new to PayPal settings or haven't changed payment preferences before. Once you're signed into your PayPal account, setting a preferred payment method can be helpful because it tells PayPal which funding source you want to use first when you make a purchase. This is especially useful if you switch between multiple cards or bank accounts and want to avoid selecting a payment method every single time. That can save time during checkout and help you stay in control of whether payments come from your PayPal balance, a linked card, or a connected bank account. It also helps reduce mistakes, like accidentally charging the wrong card, especially when you're making quick online purchases. To get started, open PayPal and go to the Wallet section. This is the area where PayPal shows all of your available payment sources in one place, making it easier to manage everything from a single dashboard. Think of it as your financial control center inside PayPal. Once you're there, you'll be able to see your connected cards, linked bank accounts, and your PayPal balance depending on what you currently have added to the account. Take a moment to look through the available options and decide which one you want to use as your default payment method. It helps to consider things like rewards on credit cards, cash flow, or whether you prefer using your PayPal balance for security. For example, you may prefer to use a specific debit or credit card for everyday purchases, or you may want PayPal to use your PayPal balance first whenever it's available. This can also help you track spending more easily, depending on your budgeting style. Some users even set different cards for business and personal expenses to stay more organized. Choosing the right default method can make your transactions more convenient and better match how you like to manage your spending, especially if you regularly shop online or make frequent payments through PayPal. Over time, this small setup can make your checkout experience much smoother and more consistent. After you found the payment source you want to use by default, select it, then look for the option that says Set as Preferred Method. Tap or click that option to confirm your selection. In most cases, this will only take a single click or tap to activate. Once you do that, PayPal will update your settings so that this payment method becomes the preferred one for future eligible payments. This means PayPal will automatically prioritize it whenever you check out, unless you manually choose something different. It's basically PayPal learning your preferred payment behavior and applying it by default. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you've selected the actual card, bank, or balance entry inside the wallet section, since the setting usually appears within the details for that payment method. Sometimes it's hidden inside a small menu or settings button, depending on your device or interface version. Also keep in mind that some transactions may still give you the chance to choose a different payment option at checkout, but your preferred method will generally be the default choice PayPal uses. This is helpful in situations where you want flexibility while still having a default backup option in place. And that's it. Once you've set your preferred method, you're all done. It's a small setting, but it can make using PayPal faster and more convenient every time you pay, especially if you shop frequently or manage multiple payment sources. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.